Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the world of Trello, specifically focusing on how to use Trello's custom card backgrounds. This 2025 guide will ensure you're fully up to speed with this powerful feature. So first off, once you're logged into your Trello account, navigate to the board where you want to add a custom card background. The reason we do this first is to have a clear view of the board structure before we start customizing, ensuring a smoother process. Next up, click on the Show Menu button on the top right-hand side of the screen. In this menu, find and click on More. Then, select Change Background. This is where the magic happens. This is where you can switch from the default backgrounds to something more personalized. Now, you'll see a variety of options, but we're focusing on custom backgrounds today. So, click on the Custom tab. This will open up a new realm of customization options, allowing you to make your board truly unique. Unique card backgrounds are an excellent way to visually categorize your tasks, making it easier to stay organized. The next step is to upload your desired image. Click on Upload and select the image file from your device. The reason we do this is to add that personal touch, making each card more distinctive. Remember, the image should ideally be high resolution to ensure a clear and sharp presentation on your board. Once you've uploaded your image, you might want to adjust its position. You can click and drag the image around to ensure it covers your card as desired. This step helps us because it provides control over how our cards look, making sure every detail is just right. Now that we've done that, simply click Set Background, and voila, your custom card background is now live. This can make your tasks more engaging and visually appealing, which can help boost productivity. So, to quickly wrap up, we've learned how to use Trello's custom card backgrounds, a great way to personalize your tasks and make your boards more appealing. It's a simple yet effective method to bring a bit of your personality into your work process. And that's it for today's tutorial. Keep exploring, keep customizing, and keep enjoying Trello's powerful features. Until next time.